this is Jenn Streicher, and I want to show you a few tips and tricks using Chantecaille's new Real Skin Plus Eye and Face Stick. So I've already applied this Chantecaille Just Skin Tinted Moisturizer. I truly love this tinted moisturizer. It provides a perfect amount of coverage and some sunscreen protection. So now I'm going to use the stick. I'm using a shade that's about one shade lighter than what I would use on my face. This is number 3. And I'm going to apply it with my ring finger. I'm just adding a little product, and I'm going to put it directly where I tend to get dark, which is right in here. And I'll even take a little bit down around my nose area, which is another place I get a little pink sometimes. So now I'm gonna use the stick for some additional coverage, and I'm using a color closest to my skin color, which is 4W. I like to take a dampened sponge and apply a product to the tip of it, and then just apply where you need some additional coverage. I tend to need it more towards the outside of my face, maybe on my nose, my chin. And I like to use my finger if there's any little spots I want to cover, like right here. So this tip is really more for an evening look. I'm going to do a little contouring. This is color number 8, and I'm going to start towards the back of my face and just draw a faint line. I'm going to use the Chantecaille cheek brush and just blend that in. I like to focus on really pushing it back into the hairline. And there we go. These sticks are great for traveling. You can throw them in your gym bag, you can keep one in your purse, and they're great for on-the-go touch-ups. And one little fun tip that I love to do, since I use more than one color, I use multiple colors, I like to decant them and put them in a little container such as this, and you can use lots of colors at one time. So I'm going to finish up my makeup and head out for the day. I hope you guys try these tips, and thanks so much for watching.